Today we're at the oldest town in Texas for their annual Blueberry Festival. Nacogdoches, deep in the heart of East Texas, is widely recognized as the oldest town in Texas. East Main Street, in the heart of downtown, still has the original red clay bricks. Our H520 will take off just east of the downtown area. We will not be flying above people, but will remain offset somewhat to the north at 400-foot elevation. We will fly line of sight with a visual observer. Nacogdoches is situated between two hills and two creeks. This creek in the foreground is La Nana. Only a few yards to the right of this location, legend has it that during an especially dry season in the late 1700s, the local priest, Father Margill, struck the side of the bank with his cane and a fresh spring water opened up. The cemetery in the lower right of the picture is Oak Grove Cemetery, one of the oldest and most famous in Texas. The occasional blips you hear are bird alerts. Okay, they're actually the craft taking occasional still photos. The entire downtown, including the red brick area you see coming into view, is closed off to vehicular traffic today. Now let's drop the controller view to have unobstructed vision. In the center right, the large multi-story building with a rotunda below is Hotel Fredonia. The church spire farther back is the First United Methodist Church. And farther still, the next church spire is the First Baptist Church. Looking north in the far distance, you can see the Twin Towers at Stephen F. Austin University. It's still early in the morning, but the festival booths are already crowded. In the large parking lot to the left, an automobile show is getting ready. Looking south, that large cluster of buildings is Texas Farm Products Company. Time to wrap it up and tell our orange bird to go home. Thanks for watching. We've enjoyed having you in Nacogdoches. This is a Bazacat production.